Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll start with exercise 20B from chapter Area and Perimeter of Plane Figures. So starting with question number 1. First question is MCQs and there are 5 MCQs. So first one is A, the area of the given figure is. The figure is given to us and we need to find out the area based on the figure. We'll look at the options later. Okay. So ये फिगर एक क्वाड्रिलैटरल है एंड फॉर द क्वाड्रिलैटरल वी आर गिवन दैट AC and BD are the diagonals, right? And the diagonals are perpendicular. They are at 90 degrees at point O. So when in a quadrilateral the diagonals are perpendicular to each other, what will be the area of the quadrilateral? Area ही find करना है, right? Area will be half into product of the diagonals. So half into AC into BD. Okay. So over here the correct option will be second one, half into AC into BD. Okay. ये correct option है. So for A, second option half into AC into BD is the area of the quadrilateral. Okay. Next MCQ. B, if two adjacent sides and a diagonal of a rectangle are x, y and d respectively, the area of the rectangle is. We'll look at the options later. Area of rectangle find out करना है and for the rectangle you are told that the adjacent sides, that is बाजू बाजू का sides जो है, they are x and y and d is the diagonal. So जो neighboring sides है, जो बाजू का sides है, they are going to be length and breadth, है ना? So किसी एक को x ले लो, दूसरे को y ले लो. You can take this also as x, this as y, does not matter. Okay. So x and y है adjacent sides. You can take this and this also, this and this also. कोई भी two neighboring sides. Okay. And the diagonal is d. What will be the area of the rectangle? For rectangle, the area is length into breadth. So it will be y into x or x into y. Right? So which option will be the correct answer? Of course the first one. So x into y is the area of the rectangle. So for B, first one is the correct option. Okay. Next MCQ. C, a square DEFG of side 8 cm is inscribed in a rectangle of adjacent sides 20 cm and 16 cm as shown in the figure. The area of the shaded portion is. Again we look at the options later. So there is a diagram given over here. We have to find out the area of this shaded portion. So ये जो shaded portion है कोई definite figure नहीं है ये, right? So what we'll do is this shaded portion is entire area of this rectangle minus area of this square. ये rectangle में से square निकाल दो तो मुझे ये shaded portion मिलेगा. So what I'll do is I'll find out the area of rectangle ABCD and subtract the area of this square. So area of square DEFG. इसको subtract करेंगे, जो area मिलेगा that will be the area of the shaded portion. Okay. So what will be the area of rectangle ABCD? For that we are given the dimensions. For rectangle the adjacent sides are 20 cm and 16 cm. So longer side को हम लोग 20 लेंगे, shorter side को 16 लेंगे. Okay. And area will be length into breadth, that is 20 into 16. Correct. And what will be the area of the square? Area of the square, for that we are given the side. Side is 8 cm. So area of square is side square. Correct. So ये हो जाएगा 320 and this will be 64. Correct. 320 minus 64, that is going to give 256. Correct. Square centimeter. So area of the shaded portion is 256 square centimeter. So correct option is the third one. So for C, third option is the correct answer. Okay. Next MCQ. D. The perimeter of a square is 72 centimeter. Its area is. Again, don't look at the options. पहले solve करेंगे. So very easy. Perimeter दिया है square का. So for the square, perimeter is 72 centimeter. What is the perimeter of square? It is a plus a plus a plus a. 4a. All sides are equal, right? So 4a is equal to 72. So a will be 72 by 4, that is a will be 18. Each side of square is 18 centimeter. Why did we find the side? To find out the area. So area of square is side square, which is 18 ka square. That will be 324. Okay. So third option. So for D, third option is the answer. 324 square centimeter. Last one. E. Area of a rhombus is 360 square centimeter. If one diagonal of it is 20 centimeter, the other diagonal is. So area rhombus का दिया हुआ है. So area of rhombus is 360 square centimeter. One of its diagonal is given. So D1 is 20 centimeter. We need to find out the other diagonal. एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस का फॉर्मूला क्या है? It is half into product of the diagonals. When the diagonals are perpendicular to each other for the quadrilateral, then this is applicable, and rhombus में diagonals are perpendicular. Okay, so half into D1 into D2. So area of rhombus is this. Area of rhombus क्या है? 360 है. So 360 is equal to half into D1 is 20, D2 find out करना है. 2 tens are. So 360 is equal to 10 into D2. So 360 upon 10 is equal to D2. So D2 is 36 centimeter. बहुत easy था. So last option. So for E, fourth option is the correct answer, 36 centimeter. Okay. Let's solve the next question. Question number 2. Find the area of a quadrilateral, one of whose diagonals is 30 centimeter and the perpendiculars from the other two vertices are 19 centimeter and 11 centimeter respectively. It's a very easy question, students. Quadrilateral है, कौन से टाइप का quadrilateral है हम लोग को नहीं पता है. So we just know this is a four-sided figure, and for this quadrilateral we are given one of the diagonals. So one of the diagonals is 30 centimeter. Okay. What else? The perpendiculars from the other two vertices are 19 centimeter and 11 centimeter respectively. So what do you mean by other two vertices? ये दो vertices को join करके ये diagonal बन रहा है. वो vertices को छोड़ के जो remaining two vertices है, from these two vertices there are perpendiculars on this diagonal. Okay, so one diagonal is given, perpendiculars from the remaining two vertices, and ये perpendiculars का length क्या है? 19 and 11. Okay, so how will we find the area? बहुत easy है. There is a formula for such conditions. We know one diagonal, we know perpendiculars from the remaining vertices on this diagonal. There is a formula, area of the quadrilateral is equal to half into diagonal into sum of the perpendiculars from the remaining two vertices. So एक perpendicular plus दूसरा perpendicular. Okay, so we'll apply this formula. Diagonal 30 है, remaining two perpendiculars जो है that is 19 and 11. Okay, so we'll add them and then multiply. All right, so let's apply the formula. Diagram is not required, students. Okay, directly formula apply करना है. तो पहले given लिखो. For the quadrilateral diagonal is 30 centimeter. Lengths of perpendiculars from remaining two vertices are 19 centimeter and 11 centimeter respectively. Okay, write the given information, then apply the formula लिखना पड़ेगा पूरा. Area of the quadrilateral will be half into the diagonal into sum of the lengths of the perpendiculars from the remaining two vertices. So you have to write down the entire thing. From the remaining two vertices. Okay, so that will be half into diagonal is 30 into sum of the perpendiculars, that is 19 plus 11, 2 15s are, so 15 into 19 plus 11 हो जाएगा 30. Okay, so that will be 450 square centimeter. Don't forget the units. Okay, box कर दो answer. Alright, better write down the final statement. Area of the quadrilateral is 450 square centimeter. Next question, question number 3. The diagonals of a quadrilateral are 16 centimeter and 13 centimeter. If they intersect each other at right angles, find the area of the quadrilateral. Again, this is very easy. There is a quadrilateral. We don't know the type of quadrilateral, but for the quadrilateral, the diagonals are given. The diagonals are 16 centimeter and 13 centimeter. So one is 16 centimeter, other is 13 centimeter. Okay, they are perpendicular to each other. They are at right angles. So the diagonals are intersecting at 90 degrees, right angles पे है. In this case, what will be the area of the quadrilateral? Whenever you are told that the diagonals are perpendicular to each other and diagonals का length दिया हुआ है, then area will be half into product of the diagonals. That is half into D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are the diagonals. Okay, so very very easy. पहले given लिखो. For the quadrilateral, D1 is 16 centimeter and D2 is 13 centimeter. Okay, write down D1 is perpendicular to D2. They intersect at right angles, so they are perpendicular to each other. Since they are perpendicular, you can apply this formula. अगर perpendicular नहीं होगा तो apply नहीं कर सकते हैं. So D1 is perpendicular to D2. Therefore, area of the quadrilateral is half into D1 into D2. Okay, so it will be half into 16 into 13. 2 8s are 8 into 13. Okay, so that will give 104 square centimeter. Don't forget the units, box the answer and final statement add कर दो. Area of the quadrilateral is 104 square centimeter. Proceeding to next question, question number 4. Calculate the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which angle ABD is equal to 90 degrees. Triangle BCD is an equilateral triangle of side 24 centimeter and AD is equal to 26 centimeter. Let's draw the quadrilateral to understand all the information given to us. So quadrilateral ABCD है. We don't know the type of quadrilateral. Okay, क्या type का quadrilateral है पता नहीं है. So for the quadrilateral, angle ABD is 90 degrees. Before considering angle, पहले name करो ABCD. So ABCD, complete the circle. जहां से भी start कर रहे हो, complete the circle. Okay, so either this way or this way. Okay, clockwise, anti-clockwise, कैसे भी पूरा complete करो. Don't break the cycle. ABCD ऐसे नहीं होगा. So ABCD is the quadrilateral where angle ABD is 90 degrees. So angle ABD, this angle is 90 degree. ये तुमको बोला है 90 है. Triangle BCD is an equilateral triangle. ये जो triangle मिल रहा है BCD, this is equilateral. Of side 24 centimeter. So this will be 24, this will be 24, this will be 24. Okay, and AD is 26, तो ये 26 है. Now we need to find out the area of this quadrilateral. Now is any formula of quadrilateral applicable over here? So far nothing, right? हम लोग ने different types of quadrilaterals पढ़े हैं. यहाँ पे we don't know what type of quadrilateral it is firstly. So neither of the formulae are applicable. Diagonals वाला formula भी applicable नहीं है. Perpendiculars नहीं दिया है. So what we'll do in this case? Split the quadrilateral into two triangles. Already split है. दोनों triangles का area find out करो. Add करो. You will get the area of the quadrilateral. Okay. So we'll find out the area of ABD and BCD and add it up. We will get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. So BCD का easily find out कर सकते हैं. BCD is an equilateral triangle. So for equilateral triangle, the area is √3/4 into side square, that is A square. Okay, तो side क्या है यहाँ पे 24 है. Put करो, solve करो. Okay, you will get the area of BCD. Okay. What about ABD? For ABD, it is a right angled triangle. Okay, so I'll draw this separately for better understanding. ये 90 degree लग नहीं रहा है. So ABD, okay, B is 90 degree, AD 26 है, BD 24 है. Okay. For a right angle triangle, if I know the sides forming the right angle, AB and BD are the sides forming the right angle. तो अगर मुझे AB और BD पता है, these two sides will be the base and height. Okay, for right angle triangle, the sides forming the right angle are base and height. तो अगर मुझे AB पता चल गया, I can use the formula half into base into height. Okay, so I need to find out AB. कैसे find out करेंगे? राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम आई कैन से AB स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AD स्क्वायर. AB मुझे नहीं पता है, BD इज 24, AD इज 26. सॉल्व करेंगे, AB फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ओके, वंस वी गेट AB, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABD will be half into base into height. Okay, that is half into AB into BD. Put the values, you will get the area. Okay, once we get the area of both the triangles, we'll add it up and find out the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So let us solve now with proper steps. First, write down the given information. For quadrilateral ABCD, we are given angle ABD is equal to 90 degree. Okay, what else? Triangle BCD is an equilateral triangle. So वो बाद में लिखते हैं, पहले sides लिख लेते हैं. Okay, so AD is 26 centimeter. So write these two things, then write down that triangle BCD is an equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle of side 24 centimeter. So therefore I can say BC equals to CD equals to BD is equal to 24 centimeter. All right, this is the given information. Okay, now we'll start with the solution. तो पहले ये इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल में सारा इंफॉर्मेशन है हमारे पास, so let's find out the area. So area of triangle BCD is equal to √3/4 into side square. Okay, here you can write down it is equal to A. Okay, so that will be √3/4 into 24 the whole square. You cannot cancel out. Okay, 24 square को पहले 24 into 24 लिखो, then you can cancel out. Okay, or square it first. So what I am doing is I am writing it as 24 into 24, 4 6 are. Okay, so this will be 144√3. correct. Now 144√3 को as it is नहीं रखेंगे, decimals में find out करो. So 144 into 1.732. √3 and √2 का values पता ही होना चाहिए students, up to 3 decimal places. So √3 is 1.732. So let's multiply 1732 into 144. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28 plus 129, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6. Okay, यहाँ पे again repeat होगा. So 8 2 9 6. Now 2 3 7 1. So 8 14 19. Okay, 249408. 3 नंबर्स के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट है, राइट से देखो. सो 3 नंबर्स के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट पुट करो, दैट विल गिव 249.408. ओके, स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, डोंट फॉरगेट द यूनिट्स. सो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल बीसीडी मिल गया. अब एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एबीडी फाइंड आउट करेंगे. फॉर दैट वी नीड एबी. ओके, सो वील फाइंड आउट एबी यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. In triangle ABD, angle ABD is equal to 90 degree. You have to write this down to show that this is a right angle triangle. Okay, so right angle triangle है तो ही Pythagoras apply कर सकते हैं, right? So ABD is 90 degree. Also write down the sides. So AD is 26 and BD is 24. We have to find out AB. All right, so using Pythagoras theorem, whenever you are applying theorems you have to write down, okay, which theorem you are applying. So using Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BD square is equal to AD square. ये फिगर से नहीं समझ में आएगा, सो दैट इज वाई टोल्ड यू के ट्राइंगल थोड़ा सा सेपरेटली ड्रॉ करके समझो. ओके, राइट एंगल के ऑपोजिट वाला है तो ये हाइपोटेनस होगा. ऑल राइट, एंड दीज टू आर द साइड्स फॉर्मिंग द राइट एंगल. सो ए बी हम लोग को नहीं पता है. बी डी इज 24, ए डी इज 26. स्क्वायर्स लर्न कर लो स्टूडेंट्स. 24 का स्क्वायर 576, 26 का स्क्वायर 676. So AB squared is equal to 676 minus 576. So that will give 100. So AB is equal to 10. Taking square root on both the sides, you have to give reason. 10 what? Centimeter. Don't forget the unit. Okay. AB मिल गया, BD पता है. Let's find out the area. Area of triangle ABD is equal to half into base into height. So that will be half into AB into BD. So half into AB is 10 and BD is 24. So that will give 120. Again units, square centimeter. Okay. Area of triangle ABD मिल गया. Area of triangle BCD also we found. Let's add it up. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD, which is 249.408 plus 120. So this will give 369.408. Rounded up to 2 decimal places. So 0 के बाद 8 है. So you will add 1. Alright. So 369.41 हो जाएगा. Square centimeter, don't forget the units. Very, very important. Box कर दो आंसर को. Write down the final statement. The area of the quadrilateral is 369.41 square centimeter. Let's read the next question. Question number 5. Calculate the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equals to 32 centimeter, AD equals to 24 centimeter, angle A is equal to 90 degrees, and BC equals to CD equals to 52 centimeter. Let's draw the quadrilateral to understand the dimensions given. Okay, so there is a quadrilateral ABCD. Now कैसा quadrilateral है हम लोग को नहीं पता है. It is just a quadrilateral four-sided figure named ABCD. Okay, AB equals to 32, AD is 24, angle A is 90 degree, BC and CD both are equal, 52 centimeter, 52 centimeter. Okay, this is the given information, and we need to find out the area of this quadrilateral. So over here it is not some special type of quadrilateral जहाँ पे हम लोग formula apply कर सके. So, and even diagonals are not given, nothing is given, perpendiculars नहीं दिया है. So what we'll do, यहाँ पे again split the quadrilateral into two triangles. Okay, so कहाँ से split करेंगे? Don't join AC. Okay, यहाँ पे angle A 90 डिग्री दिया हुआ है. So join BD join करेंगे. So ये right angle triangle हो जाएगा. Okay, and right angle triangle में I know the sides forming the right angle are base and height. So base and height पता है तो I can use the formula half into base into height. I'll easily get the area of ABD. Okay, so area of triangle ABD will be half into base into height. Okay, so I'll easily get this. Base and height पता है, put the value, solve करो. Coming to BCD के लिए BC and CD in this triangle both are equal. So this is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle के लिए भी एक formula है. Area of triangle BCD will be 1/4 into base into root of 4a square minus b square, where b is the base, the unequal side BD. Okay, this will be B, and ये जो equal sides है that will be A. Okay, so A is 52. I need to find out B, that is BD find out करना पड़ेगा मुझे. Okay, how will I find out BD? BD is a part of this right angle triangle. So BD is the hypotenuse. Using Pythagoras theorem, I can say hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So I can easily find out BD. Once I get BD, I know A and B in this triangle. I can apply this formula and find out the area of triangle BCD. And once I have the area of both the triangles, दोनों का area मुझे मिल गया, फिर add up करना है. I'll get the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, so very easy. All right, let us solve now with proper steps. First, write down the given information. So in quadrilateral ABCD, we are given AB is 32 centimeter, AD is 24 centimeter, angle A is 90 degrees, and BC equals CD equals 52 centimeter. Okay, this is the given information. Now we'll find out the area of triangle ABD because we know base and height. So we'll apply formula half into base into height. All right. So in triangle ABD, first thing that you will do, write down the angle. Angle A is 90 degree. So that is why we can apply half into base into height, right? And also we need to apply Pythagoras theorem to find out BD, है ना? BD find out करना है for area of triangle BCD. So you need to write this down. In triangle ABD, angle E 90 degrees है. Also write down AB and AD. So area of triangle ABD will be half into base into height, that is half into base क्या हो जाएगा AB and height AD. Okay, take any one as base and other one as height. Okay, does not matter, ultimately multiply कर रहे हैं. So AB is 32, AD is 24. 16 into 24, that will give 384, right? Don't forget the units. So 384 square centimeter है, ये मिल गया. अब ये फाइंड आउट करना है, उसके लिए BD रिक्वायर्ड है. सो BD फाइंड आउट करेंगे यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. सो यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, I know BD square is equal to AB square plus AD square. So AB is 32 and AD is 24. Now I don't remember the square of 32. You're supposed to know, okay? अगर नहीं याद है मल्टीप्लाई करके फाइंड आउट कर लो. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, 1024 and ये है 576. So that will give 1600, correct? So square root करके 40 हो जाएगा, correct? So BD is 40. BD is equal to 40. 16 का स्क्वायर रूट 4 एंड 2 जीरोज है तो एक जीरो मिलेगा, ठीक है? सो 40 सेंटीमीटर. BD भी मिल गया, 40 सेंटीमीटर है. ओके, नाउ डोंट फॉरगेट द यूनिट्स अगेन एंड योर गिव द रीजन टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. व्हेनेवर यू आर स्क्वायरिंग टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट यू हैव टू गिव रीजन. ओके, BD मिल गया है. अब ये ट्रायंगल कंसिडर करेंगे BCD which is isosceles triangle. Okay, so we'll be applying the formula of isosceles triangle and find out the area. Now considering triangle BCD. In triangle BCD we know BC CD both are 52 and BD is 40. So this is an isosceles triangle, therefore triangle BCD is an isosceles triangle. Since it is an isosceles triangle, I can apply the formula of area of isosceles triangle. So A and B required है. A are the congruent sides and B is the base. Okay, so area of triangle BCD will be 1 by 4 into B into root of 4A square minus B square. So 1 by 4 into 40 into root of 4 into A is 52 and B is 40. Okay, 4 tens are. So 10 into root 4 into 52 square, तो 52 का स्क्वायर, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 0, 5 2s are 10, 26. So 2704 मिल रहा है. ओके, 40 का स्क्वायर, 4 का स्क्वायर 16, 0 है, डबल कर दो. ओके, 4 into 2704. 10,816 minus 1600. So that will give 9216, correct? 9216 is a big number, so square root find out करना है. Let's factorize करके देखते हैं. So 9216 divisible by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 0 2 8s are 2, 2s are 2 3s are 0, 4s are 2 1s are 1s are 5s are 2s are 2 5s are 2 7s are 2 6s are. इसके आगे भी फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं, बट 576 is a perfect square. It is a square of 24, correct? So 24 into 24 gives me 576. So अगर स्क्वायर्स याद है स्टूडेंट्स, आगे फैक्टराइज नहीं करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so 24 into 24 and 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, so into 4 into 4, right? So 24 into 4 will be the answer. So 24 into 4, that will be 96. So 10 into 96, so इसका square root है 96, that will give 960. Don't forget the unit, square centimeter. Okay, so ये मुझे मिल गया 960. We know the area of both the triangles. Let's add up and find out the area of quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. So that is 384 plus 960. So 1344 square centimeter. Box कर दो, don't forget the units and write down the final statement. The area of the quadrilateral is 1344 square centimeter.